Here we come to the elevator at a dentist office in Roblox. I don't know what's the name called for the dentist office. The Bluebird office. Yeah. I think we like to name the office or the elevator. I don't know. Okay. 3. Oh, we need to scan a key card. Okay, there. Close the door. Hey. Close. Oh. Here we go. The motor sounds like the California State Railroad station's elevator. But this one here is a bit like louder. And smoother. Close? Why is the door not closing? Okay, there. Here we go down. Look out the window. Ah! Help! There's that air conditioning furnace there. Here we are at 1. Ah! Okay. Oh my god. Never mind. Okay. There it goes. And that's it. God Lord, bro.